Essentially what we're doing is we're designing and installing a rain garden on campus. Because we're a university, we really want students, staff, faculty, and the broader community to learn about green infrastructure and see that they can apply this in their households.
A rain garden is essentially a landscape depression that captures runoff from a hard surface like the rooftop of a building or a parking lot. They're planted with native plant species that support habitat and native biodiversity. It's meant to slow down runoff, to divert runoff from municipal storm drains. It also helps to keep our streams cleaner, having that water infiltrate through the soil before it reaches nearby waterways. I've been working with Lakehead University, lending our technical expertise for rain garden installation, as well as delivering workshops to students who are participating in the project.
EcoSuperior led 3 workshops, which were attended by both undergraduate and graduate students. And in these workshops, students learned about everything about rain gardens, so from stormwater management to site assessments for making their own rain gardens, native plants, and at the end, students actually came up with 2 candidate designs based on everything they've learned, and those designs played a big role in the final design of the garden. So students have been involved throughout. Right now today we have some students volunteering with us, actually doing the planting and mulching and all the hard labor work. And then in the future, we hope that this is a space that students can use both for educational purposes, but also just to enjoy and relax. I'm really enjoying all of the work we've been doing the past few days, where we actually have boots on the ground and shovels in the dirt, and actually being able to see the garden come together from those early workshops where we were kind of conceptualizing a design to now actually seeing those plants that we picked out as students and volunteers actually go into the ground.
Physical Plant supports this project with some in-kind labor. We provided the backhoe to dig the hole for the project, as well as provided some of the larger rocks and provided some construction oversight. Sustainability projects like this one are important for Lakehead University and the City of Thunder Bay because we are all on Lake Superior. Lake Superior is a wonderful asset for us with wonderful fresh water. The McIntyre River flows through Lakehead University directly into Lake Superior, and as stewards of the land, it's our responsibility to try to improve the water quality as best we can.
And even just in general, in terms of our overall goals at the University for Sustainability, it's teaching about green infrastructure, and there's already been several people who've walked by and said, oh, I think I want to put a rain garden in my backyard or in my front yard, and that's exactly what we want.